Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you what is the best possible way for you to buy eSIM in South Korea. Listen to me carefully. It's extremely important, guys, to follow every single possible step, and let's see what this is all about. We all know the benefits of eSIM compared to traditional eSIM cards. So right here, guys, what I want to show you first is this right here, Maya.net, South Korea eSIM plans. Enjoy fast 5G and 4G mobile data South Korea with instant activation on eSIM compatible devices. The best thing for travel and remote work anywhere you need to go. Also, go to unlimited eSIM, prepaid eSIM, guys, right here. You can check it out. But first, that I want to show you is this. You have a section how it works, how an eSIM works, guys. You can press on it right here and be redirected to see, guys, forget about SIM cards. Welcome to the next generation of mobile connectivity. See how eSIM works. Of course, you can rate it on Trustpilot and everything, but first thing first, fast, flexible, the future. So guys, right here you can check it out, instant activation. What we're talking about here, guys, unlocked iPhone and Android devices have an eSIM chip built in, allowing you to activate their plans on your device right away. That's right, check the eSIM device list to verify. Right here you can explore it, guys. No physical SIM. It's another great huge benefit for you guys. Think of an eSIM like a virtual SIM card. All the data usually contained on a SIM card is loaded onto your phone over the air, so there is no need to install a physical SIM. And also there is a multiple plans, guys, for installing an eSIM. Does not replace your existing phone plan, but adds a new secondary data plan. You can enable or disable each plan at your convenience. So, which plan is the best for you? South Korea eSIM plans and pricing right here. Pick your plan duration, go prepaid or unlimited, and get ready to connect. You can check it out straight away right here for 5 days, guys. If you want to do a tryout, you can check it out right here. 5-day data pass, 1 GB, $5, guys, right here. eSIM activate now. You can press on it. South Korea eSIM 3 GB, guys, for $9, 5 GB, $16. Down below you can see 10 for $31 and 20 for $58, and also unlimited data, guys, for 5 days right here, $29 US. You can switch your plan for 10 days, guys. Right here you can see the price are switching, of course. 15 days right here and 30 days. If you want unlimited data, guys, right here, 30-day data pass, unlimited data, $29 for you guys for 30-day pass. So sounds pretty amazing. Let's check out, for example, 10 days right here. We can press on activate now, guys, right here, and we will be redirected straight away here. You can check it out. KR 3 GB eSIM, guys, validity 10 days right here, destination South Korea, starting date 19th of June right here, auto recharge no, subtotal and total right here you can see, guys, plan activation day, of course, so you can set it for yourself. Plan length, you can also, if you picked before, guys, 10 days plan, you can switch it right here to 5, for example, 15 or 30 day, guys, and you can see everything will be updated for you straight away right here. So let's stick right here to the 10. Auto recharge, stay online with automatic data refills, guys. Top up automatically when usage reaches 100%. Each additional 3 GB data package for $10. Change preferences anytime. Included with your eSIM, guys, right here. It's super easy to use right here. Included with your eSIM, you can check it out. You can press on review and pay, and again, be redirected straight away right here. First name, last name, mail address, password, guys, right here. You can type in your phone number. You can just switch it here for South Korea and everything. Check out these 2 boxes, and that's it. Review and pay, guys. Super easy, super convenient, super useful for you. It can solve plenty of your problems, guys. So think about it. And after all, as I said, thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.